Hello everyone. Here's a demonstration of how to use the hollow chisel mortiser to drill a squared venting hole on the compressed air racing car. First, let's switch to adequate sized chisel. Install the fixture and adjust the machine position of our machine. Hold our material and press down the mortiser and chisel out the hole. Adjust the feed position of the machine and chisel out the second squared hole on the side. We'll reset our fixture to chisel the venting hole on the rear. Here we have completed the manufacturing of our venting holes. Hello everybody! Here's a demonstration of using the sheet metal hemming machine to manufacture an arched cross-section reinforced chassis. First, we'll select a roller that can make an arched cross-section and install it onto our machine. When installing, we must confirm that the upper and lower rollers are in the correct position and fix them properly. We'll adjust the position of the upper roller back and forth to the right fitting position. We can adjust the guard plate position to set our rolling position to the location marked on our material. Finally, confirm again whether our position is correct. At first, we'll set to roll half of the height. Slowly turn the rolling handle so that the sheet metal can enter our hemming machine to roll smoothly into the arched shape. In the process, we gradually adjust the rolling height to finally finish with a 5 mm arch cross section.